Freelancing Hub. In this video, I am going to tell you, my friends, about Facebook ad campaign, especially for those who are beginners and those they are trying for the first time to run their Facebook ad and they face difficulty. Actually, Facebook system automatically alarm you when you do something wrong, and when you do something wrong, their Facebook system automatically place alarm sign, and then you understand that you have done here a mistake. Then you go there and remove the mistake. But throughout my experience, I noticed that there are two mistakes, especially beginners when they do for the first time to run their Facebook ad commit this mistake, and Facebook system unfortunately does not alarm you about these two mistakes. The first one is about audience selection. When a newbie and the beginners try to run Facebook ad, and then he searches for audience, and then he starts to select their audience. But during selection, his budget is low and he chooses a lot of audience. So there is not a mutual relationship between his budget and its audience. Then that you can see at the site, your audience is too broad. So it is a mistake, but Facebook system does not alarm you about this. When you leave this mistake in your setting and go to publish, and then at the end your Facebook ad automatically go to that draft. So it means that your ad does not run. This is mistake. The second mistake is also related to audience selection. When you select your audience too small in size and your budget is huge, then it is written at the side that you can see your audience is too narrow. So it means that there is no relationship between budget and your audience. So it is also a mistake, and in this case too your Facebook ad will not run. This is the mistake which is almost done for the beginners. So be careful about these mistakes and try to choose your audience. They should be defined. It means that as long as you cannot get this sentence as you in the see in the side, your audience is defined. So when you get this sentence, your audience is defined, then your audience is good and your Facebook ad will not directly went to draft, but it will run successfully. The another mistake which is almost done by beginners is about placement. When your budget is small and you select a manual placement, so in this case too your Facebook ad will not run, because mostly Facebook give priority to those people, to those Facebook ad runners who spends huge amount and their duration of time is also large in size. So the Facebook system normally gives priority to those people to run their ad in the manual places as they have selected, because here in this case your budget is low as well as your time duration is also small in size. So Facebook is not so much free to leave all his other customers, to leave all his other Facebook runners and give a space for your ad to run on the respected places. So it means that Facebook will not allow your ad to run on the manual places. So in this case you will run your Facebook ad, and even you will get the notification from the Facebook site that your ad is successfully run, but at the end you will not get any result. Even a single penny will not be spent in this Facebook ad campaign. So be careful when your budget is small and your time is also limited case. You should focus on auto placement. So in this case your Facebook ad will run successfully. So these were the 2 or 3 mistakes that I have noticed during running a Facebook ad. So I like it to share these mistakes with my other friends too, so they don't commit these mistakes in their Facebook ad running. Thanks for watching. if the video has been solved your problem or it is a helpful video, so please do the following things. If you have a still question in this, then you can ask in the comment box.